Hi, so I've had this Roborock Q Revo cleaning robot for a while now, and one day I noticed that it was only mopping with one of the mop heads. Well, they were both spinning, but only one of them seemed to get wet. There's probably a ton of reason why this can happen, but for me, and as I thought I'd just share here in case it can help someone else with the same issue, this was caused by some little dust particle or other type of dirt that for whatever reason had gotten stuck inside the water jet nozzle underneath one of the mopping pads. No idea if this is a proper or even a good or safe way to solve it or not, but I got my machine working again by simply using one of those tiny SIM card tray ejector needles that you get with every new cell phone, and then pushing it into the hole one time and spinning it around a little. And after that, both mop pads got happily wet again and the floors got happily clean. Anyway, I hope this can help someone with the same issue too, and please share any thoughts or questions down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, bye!